Hey guys, this is Henry here again. In this video, I want to be talking about how to fund your Hotbit wallet. Now, I've been getting a lot of messages to talk about how to fund your Hotbit wallet, how to fund a Hotbit wallet. So in this video, I'll be walking you through how to fund your Hotbit wallet. Now, what you want to do, you want to click your Hotbit. Once you click your Hotbit wallet, this is your dashboard. This is Hotbit's dashboard. Now, I want to make this clear to everyone. You cannot fund your Hotbit wallet via bank card or online bank transfer or P2P. You can't do that. So unlike Binance, where you have such opportunity, as you can see here on Binance, you have deposits, NGN. You can use your bank card, you can use bank transfer, you can use P2P. If you also go to your Trust Wallet also have that option. Trust Wallet also have that option where you can buy. As you can see, you see the buy button up here. Once you click buy, you can buy any cryptocurrency of your choice. So, but Hotbit is different from all this. Hotbit doesn't have such options yet. I believe as time goes on in the nearest future, they would inculcate such options on their platform. So right now the question is, so then how do I fund my Hotbit wallet so that I can actually purchase or some of these coins rather. So what you want to do is, it's very simple. You want to fund your Binance wallet or any wallet at all that you make use of with USDT. Do you understand? So once you fund your Binance wallet with USDT, I have a video on that. If you check my previous YouTube videos, you see where I talked about how to fund your Binance wallet. Do you understand? So you can go check that if you don't understand. If you don't know how to fund your Binance wallet, you can go watch that video. It is very, very educative. You would understand how to fund your Binance wallet. Do you understand? So, but if you don't make use of Binance and maybe you make use of other platforms, so what you want to do is you want to fund that platform you make use of, then send the either BTC, Ethereum, BNB, or USDT. You send it to your Hotbit wallet. Do you understand, guys? That is just how you can fund your Hotbit wallet for now. Aside this way, there is no other way, guys. Now, why is Hotbit very, very useful? Why is Hotbit important? A lot of people would ask, why can't we just use Binance instead of using Hotbit? The truth is, Hotbit has more currencies, more altcoins than Binance. There are a lot of fresh new altcoins that are coming out that you can find on Hotbit, but you will not find on Binance. So that is why you see Hotbit is hot cake now. Do you understand? So that is why Hotbit is very, very important. So there are some coins that I've told most of my clients to buy that you can't find on Binance, but you find on Hotbit. Do you understand, guys? So that's why Hotbit is very, very important. If not, we would have just stick to Binance, because Binance has everything. Binance is the #1 exchanger platform in the world. Binance has everything. It's the best. It is safe. It is secured. So we would have just stick to Binance, but it's just because Binance don't support most of the cryptocurrencies, most of the altcoins that Hotbit supports. So that's why we are using Hotbit for now. Do you understand? Now, you can as well use Uniswap or PancakeSwap on your MetaMask or your Trust Wallet. Do you understand? But a lot of people don't really understand how to use all those Uniswap and PancakeSwap, so they just prefer to use an exchanger platform. Do you understand, guys? So now you cannot fund your Hotbit wallet with either bank card, online bank transfer, or P2P. So what you want to do is you want to fund your Binance wallet or any wallet at all you make use of, then transfer to your Hotbit so that you can now make any exchange you want to exchange, buy any currency you want to buy. Do you understand, guys? Now, to add to this tutorial, I would advise you always choose to send USDT. Always choose to send USDT. Why? Why am I saying you should send USDT? Now, we all know that gas fee for Ethereum, gas fee means transaction fee. We all know that transaction fee for Ethereum and BTC is high. It is damn high. Do you understand? So, but if you are transferring with USDT and you use TRC20 network, the transaction fee is just $1. Do you understand? So even if you want to do a transaction, okay, let's say for instance, as you can see, the first coin here is NX. You see NX/USDT, meaning you can swap this currency with only USDT. I'll go back. You see SAFEP. I'll click it. You can only swap this currency for USDT. Then HTB. Let's see. You are supposed to be able to swap HTB with other currency, but what I'm seeing here is HTB/USDT. So meaning you can only swap HTB with USDT. Then the fourth one and the fifth one, where I'm going to is this fifth one, CRU. As you can see, it is CRU/BTC. So if you click it now, it's only BTC you can swap with this coin. So let's say, for instance, I send a signal like, oh guys, buy CRU token. It is going to grow in value. Do you understand? So you might be saying, okay, since it is BTC, I can swap for this coin. Let me buy BTC from Binance and send to my Hotbit wallet. Do you understand? Yes, that is the normal thing you should do, but I would advise you shouldn't do that, because transaction fee alone can take up to $20-30. So what I would still advise to do in this case is send USDT. Once you send USDT, what you want to do is swap USDT for BTC here on your exchanger platform. That's why it's an exchanger platform. Swap that your USDT for BTC here on Hotbit. The swapping costs nothing. The swapping is zero fee. So you can now swap, then now exchange for this CRU token. Do you guys understand what I'm trying to say? Because if you say you want to send BTC to your Hotbit, you can be spending close to $30 to $25 for transaction fee. But if you send it in USDT through TRC20 network, it is just $1 for transaction fee. Then you can now run the swap here on Hotbit to BTC, then now buy CRU token. So that is why I'm always encouraging us to buy USDT instead. So you might be wondering, oh, what is TRC20? Okay, this is what you want to do. Click funds. Once you click funds, as you can see, you see deposit, withdraw, transfer history. Click deposit. Once you click deposit, you see the history record, USDT, SFM. Common is BTC, Ethereum, HTB, USDT. So you want to click USDT. Once you click USDT, now see, it gave us a notification. It says choose right address to proceed. Click OK. Now these are the addresses, like these are the network: ERC20, BEP20, TRC20, HECO, Omni, and ASA. Now the cheapest amongst all is TRC20. That is what you should tap. Once you tap TRC20, you will notice that the address link will change. See, now TRC starts with TKE. Let me go back to ERC20 so you see what the address will look like. I've gone back. As you can see, it's 0x2BA. So what we want to do is click TRC20. Once you click TRC20, you copy the address. The address has been copied. So you go back to your either Trust Wallets where you have your USDT, or Binance. If it is Binance, you have your USDT. You go to your Binance, click your wallet, locate your USDT. This is USDT. I have 0 USDT here. Do you understand? So what you want to do is, let's say for instance you have $10 or $20 or $30 USDT here and you want to send to your Hotbit. What you want to click now is click withdraw. Once you click withdraw, you want to add that address you copied. Once you add that address you copied, as you can see, the next box you are seeing here is network. Now, even if I click this now, you see it is showing me networks to choose from. Do you understand? Now, even if I don't choose any network, Binance will automatically detect that it is TRC20. How? Okay, I just want to click amount now. I've clicked amount. Can you see? it brought out TRC20 for itself. Now let me change this TRC20 to something else. Let's see what will happen. As you can see, this address does not match the currently selected primary network. Do you understand? No, Binance is trying to help you make the right choice so you don't make mistake. Because if you copy TRC20 address, then you now come on your Binance and add Omni network and send, your money will be lost forever. You will not get it. So you should make sure that it is TRC20. Any address you copy, that is the network you should click. Do you understand? As you can see, when I click TRC20, that notification, that error notification is out. Do you understand? So what you want to do now is, I want to make a TRC20. The minimum you can send from Binance is $10. The minimum you can send from Binance is $10 for TRC20. And if you check below here, the transaction fee is $1. So TRC20 is the best. Now let me click another network. Let's see the amount. As you can see, minimum for Omni is $56. And check below, transaction fee is what? 28 USD. Okay, let's click another one. Let's click ERC20. ERC20, minimum you can withdraw is $40. Scroll down to see the transaction fee. Transaction fee is 20 USDT. So this to let you know that TRC20 is the best. This is the cheapest. Minimum $10, transaction fee $1. So you can send as many as possible. Do you understand? So even if, as you can see, even if I put $500, can't you see? Transaction fee still stands as $1 transaction fee. So I will get 499 USDT. So TRC20 is the best. Do you understand? So let's say, for instance, you have this amount and you withdraw. Once you withdraw, you will automatically find your money will automatically be credited to your USDT wallet here on Hotbit. So then once it has appeared on your Hotbit, you can now go ahead by swapping any coin you want. Okay, let's use this for it. Although I have a video on how to swap a coin for another on Binance. They both, Binance, Hotbit, all these exchanger platform, they both use the same trading platform. Do you understand? So the video I have on YouTube is basically on Binance, but if you watch that same video, you will understand how all this thing works. But I'll just try to touch a little bit of it in this tutorial. So let's say, for instance, I want to buy this EARNX NX. I want to purchase this coin. I have already transferred USDT from Binance to my Hotbit wallet, and I want to buy this. What I want to do, I want to click it. Once I click it, it will load. Once it loads, what I want to do now is click buy. Once I click buy, do you understand? If you look below here where you see USDT available, I have 0.01 USDT. Do you understand? Let's say, for instance, you sent that $500 that we just talked about right now from Binance to your Hotbit. What you'll be seeing here is 499. Like I said, they remove $1 for transaction fee. So if you want to use all the money to buy this NX, what you want to click is 100%. It will use all the USDT you have to buy this NX. So if you click 25%, it will use 25% of the money you have. If you use 50%, you use half of the money you have. If you click 75%, you understand. It just depends. So, but you can actually edit it yourself. You can come down here, clear all this, and say, okay, I just want to spend $10. So $10 will give me, I think, is this 40 million or 4 million worth of NX? Do you understand? So you can also still edit it from the amount of NX you want. Okay, I want to buy 2 million NX. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 2 million NX will cost 4.99 USD. Then you click buy. Do you understand? So that is basically how you fund your Hotbit wallet, and that's basically how you swap a coin for another on Hotbit. It's as simple as ABC, guys. So if this video has been helpful, give this video a thumbs up. Thumbs up is like, rather. Comment, ask your questions. I'm willing to answer your questions. Please share this video and subscribe to my channel if you have not subscribed. I send videos like this almost every day, tutorials like this, and I've been getting a lot of positive response from all my subscribers of how I break down the tutorials to a layman understanding. So guys, this is what I do for a living. I would break down something that looks so impossible, something that looks so difficult, to a layman understanding that you would understand. So follow me, subscribe to my channel. So that is basically it. So in summary, you cannot fund your Hotbit wallet via bank card or bank transfer or all other options where Binance support or other currency, other exchangers or wallet support. You can't. Do you understand? So what you want to do is you want to buy from all other platform that support that, then send to your Hotbit. And why is Hotbit very useful? Hotbit is useful and very useful because they have loads and loads of altcoins on their database. So that's why Hotbit is preferable. That's why I advise you all to use Hotbit. So that'll be all for now. Thank you guys.